Have you ever wondered why airplanes fly at high altitudes? It's a question that has intrigued many. The answer lies in the science of flight and the various benefits it offers. Airplanes ascend to high altitudes to take advantage of the thinner air. This reduced air density means less resistance, allowing planes to fly faster. Imagine pushing your hand through the air and then through water. The difference in resistance is similar to the difference an airplane experiences at high and low altitudes. At sea level, the same throttle settings that would speed an airplane to 250 knots could propel it to over 500 knots at cruise altitude. That's twice the speed, making for quicker journeys and significant fuel savings. However, flying at high speeds comes with its own set of challenges. As an aircraft approaches the speed of sound, it experiences increased air resistance, making it harder to maintain those high speeds. This is the delicate balance pilots must maintain between flying at optimal speed and avoiding the harmful effects of near supersonic flight. Now you might be thinking about wind tunnels and jet streams. While jet streams can provide a slight boost in speed in specific directions, they are not the primary reason why airplanes fly at high altitudes. The real advantage of high-altitude flight is the reduced air resistance. Wind tunnels, on the other hand, are used for testing aircraft rather than providing speed boosts during flight. So, what are the main advantages of flying high? There are three: increased speed, greater fuel efficiency, and avoidance of adverse weather conditions. Jet engines work more efficiently at higher altitudes, requiring less fuel to cover the same distance than flying at lower altitudes. Also, by flying at higher altitudes, airplanes can avoid the turbulent weather conditions often found at lower altitudes. But where is this sweet spot for flying most efficiently? It's typically between 30,000 to 40,000 feet. At this altitude, airplanes can maintain their desired altitude while benefiting from the reduced air resistance and improved fuel efficiency. And if the jet stream aligns with the flight path, it can provide an additional time-saving advantage, saving 10 to 20% of total flight time. So, to sum it all up, flying at higher altitudes offers several advantages for airplanes: increased speed, improved fuel efficiency, and avoiding adverse weather conditions. The thinner air and reduced air resistance at these heights allow airplanes to fly faster and use less fuel, resulting in quicker journeys and significant cost savings. The next time you're on a plane, remember that flying high isn't just for the view. It's an efficient, cost-effective, and smoother way to travel.